A stone of mass m is projected vertically upwards with a speed u from the top of a cliff. The speed of the stone when it is just about to hit the ground is v. So you can see that here. Okay, this is the cliff, this is the stone. Okay, so the question is asking us, what is the magnitude of the change in momentum of the stone? So we are concerned with momentum. Okay, so what do we know? Well, we do know that the formula for momentum, denoted by the letter P, is equal to mass times velocity. In this case, however, notice that there are two. We have the initial and the final. So I can show my initial momentum, so P sub I, is equal to mu. Okay, and here I will take this to be positive because our convention is if it's going up, it's going to be positive. Okay, and then I also have another momentum, which is my final momentum, okay, the one here at the bottom, and then that will be negative because it's going down, times the mass, negative of the mass times the velocity, which is again in this figure pointing downwards. Okay, so because we're asked to find the change in momentum, then I can show that by writing the change in momentum, which is delta P, is just equal to my final momentum minus initial momentum. Okay, well, from this, my final momentum is mu, right? And then my initial is minus mv. Okay, sorry, my bad, the other way around. So this should be mv minus mv minus plus mu. So it's always final minus initial. Okay, so correction there. This is going to be minus mv, the final momentum, minus the initial momentum, which is positive mu. Alright, so how can I rewrite this? I can always factor out my m here. In fact, I'm going to factor out negative m, and I should be left with v plus u inside. Okay, now if you look at your choices, immediately the closest one is letter C. Okay, but you might be wondering, what about the negative sign? The negative sign here we can omit, and the reason for that is because the question is only asking us to find the magnitude of the momentum. Okay, this negative sign just indicates the direction in which this object is going, and if you look at the problem, indeed, our object here, our stone, is going to be moving downwards as it hits the ground. So really, this is enough. The answer should be letter C.